welcome back to today's vlog. So today's vlog, I'm gonna be cleaning out my dirt bike because I gotta maintenance it. I'm gonna change the spark plug, clean the air filter, and wash the bike and oil change and a lot of stuff. So let's start.
There's the dirty, yucky air filter.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not too bad.
What?
Alright, so I cleaned the air filter. I did my job. Air filter, check. What are you doing, Rocco? You're going to change the spark plug?
Spark plug, right?
Yeah, spark plug. What size is it?
We'll get the new spark plug.
Where's the new one?
And we'll check the size on that.
Rocco's tool set. Sent to him by a fan.
Other way. Ryan, you put it in like this.
No.
Are you guys sure you need this to get it out?
Either that or we need a wrench or crescent
That's what I
wrench.
thought, like a crescent wrench. Neither, none of these are going to be long enough to get over the spark plug. 30 minutes later. You got to get the spark plug out.
We gotta pop this part off.
The rubber cover off.
Yeah. There we go.
Jump up, Charlie. Show them how big you are. Show them how big you are.
Oh. Come on, do it again. Come on, come on. I can't.
Charlie, jump.
Oh, come on. Charlie.
There it is. There they are. Same height. Did you get it?
Ow.
Yeah, I get it.
Hey, stop, stop.
Okay, back to the bike.
Use your hands and try and twist it out now. Your hands are a little smaller than mine. I couldn't get mine a good grip on it. I can not get in there either.
You can't get your hands in there?
No, it's like the gas tank right here is like stopping. You got it?
Yeah.
Sooner or later, we're gonna get this spark plug out.
Yeah.
You got it?
It's moving. We're almost there.
I can't believe you can't use your finger yet.
I can use it and then like it's a little jam.
She is dirty. Like, look at the difference.
Yep, so it needed to be changed.
Yeah, and if you have a KTM 65, the number is NGKR. Okay, I'm gonna take these gloves off.
Just make sure you start screwing it in straight. Alright, so we're gonna put the new spark plug back in. Is this working or no? Can you get it in there straight?
No, he's almost got it in there. Hold on, let me see, Rocco. Or is it not even in yet? Here, it's not in.
Wait, I can put my hand in there. It's not even in the hole?
No, it's like so crooked and...
Yeah, here, let me get it started for you.
It is hot.
It's 100. What?
It's 100 again today.
Yeah,
and it's like October 25th.
Yeah.
4th.
In winter time, for us, it's only like 70 degrees. 70 to 60.
Right, Charlie?
Now we gotta change the oil.
This one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the, okay. So it's a little bit different on the 65. Last time he couldn't break it.
Oh, got it.
Ooh, Rocco's getting stronger in his days. Watch out, because his washers. Oh, the dip.
Can I get in there?
Tip it.
Here.
Oh no. Alright, so we found the oil. Probably should have put the bike to the back of. Go grab the towel off the end of the truck. So we'll let all that drain through. And this funnel actually needs an end to the funnel. Funnel part. Like, where's that long clear part? Keep tipping, Brian, if you can. So I'm gonna start feeding this oil through. Is this our engine oil? Yeah. Yep.
It's better if you can get as far as you can with your hand.
That just went in the oil.
Yep, that just went in the oil.
What did?
Feel the nut.
Oh.
It kind of feels good.
He just dropped the bolt in the oil.
There we go.
Okay, Rocco.
Nice and tight.
Everything in there, just pour it in and start letting the bottle drip.
Alright, so we just finished up. We put the spark plug in, which took forever. And then we got an oil change. And now we got to wash the bike. So now gotta dry it off.
Sounds good, I think. How's it sound? How's it feel?
Oh, what the heck?
Does it feel better?
Yeah. Alright, so we got the bike all cleaned up. We changed the spark plug. We got new oil in, and she's looking clean.
The air filter.
We cleaned the air filter, and yeah.
Charlie sits in the middle of the street.
Charlie sits in the middle of the street. So we are gonna go to mini night, hopefully tonight, cause it's been windy out here for the past couple days. But cross our fingers that we can go to mini night. But hopefully we'll see you guys at mini night.
You're okay. You ready for 2-lap sprints?
hope you guys enjoy. My bike, it didn't go too well. My radiator hose is toasted. My radiator was blown out dry. And my pistons are bam. So I need a new top end, but sorry that it was really short. But that's it. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so we can hit 2 million subscribers. And like guys, see y'all tomorrow.